AMLH, one that we've been following very closely here for quite a bit. That 0054 right around the 3rd is when we first started really covering this one. Going to continue to watch it right now. Again, up here on the 12th, when we looked at this one last, it was at 0044. I said gap at 0033. 004 could fill here if volume does not pick back up. All right, support at 0043, 33, and 23. Resistance at 53 and 70. I'm sorry, yeah, 007 is going to be that resistance levels that we talked about. So right over here, you guys see that up here at the 53 right there perfectly. So you guys are going to still continue to have that resistance, and that is actually where you hit that high today at the 53. All right, so you guys got up here and hit that high that I told you that was going to be that resistance level and rested on that support. The support down here, again, forming just below the 10-day. Now, this is how I'm looking at this thing. I personally always use daily charts. Zooming in here a little bit, look at on how this 0040 has played such a significant role around here, but it's not afraid to get down here and tap that 33. It's done it multiple times. It's done it over here on the 6th. It's done it over here on the 5th, and as well as right here. You guys came down there, but look it through here. This is the gap that I'm talking about that I want you guys to understand. Inside that red box, you don't see any candles. You only see wicks. Okay, so that's, to me personally, people might argue, well, it filled the gap, but if you look at it, it also filled the gap right here, right? But you only got 3 days out of it and came right back down to it? No, I mean, it did, but again, in my personal opinion, the full body gaps is what I look for. This one was requested, and again, going over it, 30-minute chart, we can pull this one up. Now, on the 30-minute chart, it looks much better. It really does. It does look a lot better on the 30-minute chart, but again, doesn't show you the whole thing that you would be looking at. You can go on the 30-minute chart and make it look better than what it is, in my personal opinion, because you guys did at 0040, the 20-day simple moving averages at 0039. Looking over here, everything looks fine. It looks like the candle, the gap was filled over here. But when you go to the daily, it gives you a whole different story. And the dailies are the ones that I personally use because the 30-minute charts are only going to give you time frames throughout the day and every 30 minutes. And this is going to give you a daily look of it. So if you look at this whole channel here, it's completely empty. That's going to be the gap that we're going to be watching for this one to fill. I'm going to put this in here. Again, I don't think it's going to be all doom and gloom that after it fills, but again, I think that it will bounce off of that area in my personal opinion. So we're going to go with 0040. I'm going to keep that 0053 and that 007 as the resistance levels that we can see up here. Yeah, that's going to be up there quite a bit. So the support, again, I'm going to put a level of support here at the 4. I mean, it's obviously there. That 4-3 is going to be a light one, but it came down to that right there. So 004 is going to be that support, and then the 0033. And we're going to follow up with this one at the 0025 now. So that support level that I had on the 12th at 2.3 has now moved up to 2.5 because we're going to be tracking the 20-day simple moving average now for that support line. That's why I put that through there so you guys understand if this is your first time watching our videos. Hopefully that'll help you understand this a little bit more. So again, 0040, watch for the gap to fill at 0033 and 004, then bounce. Resistance at 0053 and 007, support at 004. 0033 and 0025. That's what we're going to be watching for with this one, AMLH. Again, after that, I mean, overall, for the moves that this one has made, it's pretty impressive on where it has held. I mean, it really has held up very nicely here, especially off of all them days of green. Big moves up here, but it still has that gap that I'm going to be watching for it to fill. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. And get out there and share this video with all other investors. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. So share it on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. And make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live to join in on our next live show. where you can request your favorite stock ticker in live time.